Good afternoon, everyone. Judson Bobo with Everything Billiards and Spas in Charlotte, North Carolina. Wanted to take a second to show you guys the SmartTop. It's a new product for us. Been selling really well since we brought it in. The age-old problem with hot tubs is that your cover lasts in general 3 to 5 years. From any manufacturer, this is going to be true. What happens is over time, that heat and humidity from inside the spa works its way up into the foam, and your cover just gets super heavy and waterlogged, and you need to replace it. The answer? The SmartTop. Made in the USA, it's a heavy-duty polycarbonate material designed to last the life of the spa. It also has a robust mechanisms on the side to assist your lift through hydraulics, and it's super easy to use. Boom, boom. It's all nice and cushioned opening, very well built, and again designed to last the life of the spa when properly maintained. Come check one out today.